Okay, well here's a quick test of a mini flash driving 3 of these 1-watt LEDs. I don't know if you can see it, but they're the side emitting LEDs. So out of the 4 channels of the mini flash, I have 3 1-watt LEDs, and then out of the other channel I'm driving one of my mini beacon circuits, which again, that one's driving a 1-watt side emitting LED. So just to make sure that it worked, someone was asking about if I could drive 4 1-watts with this setup, and you indeed can. I have the radio on here. I'm just going to plug it in here. I've got it programmed. I don't know if you can see it, if you can make sense out of it. But anyways, the last channel there where it looks like all of the check marks are checked, that's the channel that's actually driving the mini flash. So when I get up on the stick all the way up high, that channel should turn on. Otherwise, these other LEDs here are just going to kind of flash. 2 LEDs are going to flash a couple of times. There's going to be more of a longer flash on the other LED. So we're going to see that here. Right now it's all powered up. They already flashed. It takes 8 seconds for it to boot up. They just flash. And with the stick in the up position here, I guess that's the position where all of them are off. And if I go a little more, I've got past the 1/4 mark there, so it's turned that 1 channel on there just as a flash. If I go a little more, when I'm in the halfway mark here, it's flashing the 2 LEDs just in unison. One's long, the other's kind of double flashing. And then when you get down past the other point, all of them come on, but you also see the mini beacon LED here actually ramping up and down. And if I back off the stick, you'll see that ramping LED go off, but the others kind of still stay on. That's kind of how I have it programmed in the software here, but I mean, you could program it any old way you want, and the stick positions correspond to these stars and dashes here. It's kind of explained on my webpage, but you pretty much define what zone you want to stick in, from 0 to 1/4, or 1/4 to 1/2, 1/2 to 3/4, or all the way. And that's it. Turn them all off. I just move the stick up. They all go off, even including. So you can drive 4 LEDs. I normally don't like driving the mini beacon off of the mini flash because you're limited by this transistor driving the circuit in this, which has a transistor also. Kind of overworks it. What you can do is connect the mini beacon directly up to the same channel using a Y harness, and you can kind of do some stuff with that. At least you're getting power from the mini flash directly from the receiver. But anyways, it does drive the 1-watt. Nothing heats up. Everything's good. So yeah, that's the max. You could drive one of those 1-watt LEDs from each of the channels, even with the mini beacon connected to it. So pretty slick.